They called it the ultimate driving machine, the car that defined an era of automotive rebellion, the AC Cobra. But in 1997, a legend was reborn in a way that made it accessible to a new generation of thrill seekers. Today, we celebrate the 1997 Dax Cobra Replica. The Dax Cobra, born from the legendary Shelby Cobra, has etched its name in the annals of automotive history. Crafted with meticulous attention to detail, this replica pays homage to the original while adding its own flair. Look at those curves. The Dax Cobra's timeless design captures the essence of the 60s roadsters. Hand-rolled aluminum body panels, a minimalist interior, and those side pipes. Every inch screams performance. Powering this beast is a variety of engine options, depending on the year and model. From the robust Ford V8s engines to the agile Rover V8s, the Dax Cobra offered a range of choices for the driving enthusiast. With a power output ranging from 200 to well over 300 horsepower, this replica wasn't for the faint of heart. It promised an adrenaline rush with every press of the ped slide into the driver's seat, grip that wooden steering wheel, and feel the wind rush past. The Dax Cobra isn't just about speed, it's about connection. Every twist of the road becomes a dance. This was a back-to-basics approach, putting the driving experience front and center. Every element is there to connect you with the raw power and exhilarating sensation of speed. Now, here's the kicker. Original Shelby Cobras are like unicorns, rare and elusive. But the Dax Cobra? It's attainable. With only a handful produced in 1997, it's a collector's dream. So, whether you're a seasoned enthusiast or a curious soul, the 1997 Dax Cobra Replica invites you to step into a bygone era. It's not just a car, it's a time machine.